Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fabric softener dispenser in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, flat blade screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a retaining strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new fabric softener dispenser. The fabric softener dispenser is located at the top right rear corner of the cabinet under the lid. It dispenses fabric softener into the tub. If you have noticed a water puddle on the floor on the rear right side of the washer, check the fabric softener dispenser and replace it if needed. We're going to start the repair with taking out a couple of 1/4-inch screws at the back that holds the top. So if you noticed, we left the bottom screws in. The hinge is supposed to be attached to the body. Okay, let's open the lid and then we're going to pull the top forward. I'm going to place my knee in the middle and I'm going to pull and lift. And I'm going to place it down for now. And then we're going to remove this bezel. We need to push this side in and lift this up at one end. To take out the dispenser, we need to push in these tabs. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver, and it goes in. Now I'm going to slowly lift the top. If you have a wall behind the washer, you can put the top against the wall. In my case, I don't, so I am using that strap, and we're going to install it here and the hole at the bottom so it would be solid open. So now we can place a pair of pliers on the clamp here, squeeze it and move it off. I'm going to place the towel here because the hose from the softener connects to the water inlet valve, and we're going to definitely have some water left in there. And then we're going to pull it off. Okay, we'll keep it in there. It's still dripping. Now I'm going to pull this hose through behind this water injector. And turn it around and free it. This is the old fabric softener dispenser next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new fabric softener dispenser and start with sliding that hose behind the water injector and installing it onto this water inlet valve. Push it on. Make sure that the hose is pushed on all the way. Then I'm going to use the pliers. I'm going to squeeze this clamp, slide it on. A little more. All right. Now we can remove the towel. Now we can remove this strap and lower down the top. Now we're going to install this housing, the fabric softener housing. Place this side up. Push it all the way to the side. I'm going to lift this up. And now this side. All right. And now the bezel. I'm going to place this side first and press it in. All right, now we're going to lock the top. I'm going to pull it forward, then press it down and push it back. All right, I'm going to close the lid. And now we can secure the top at the back with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.